This is a piano tutorial for the Elvis tune It's Now or Never. And we'll be showing it to you here as a soloist. So I'll show you the fingering for the right hand. This is in the key of E flat. So we have 3 flats to watch out for in the melody: B flat, E flat, and A flat. So that's going to be a little tricky. You start on an E flat with your 5th finger, and a B flat right there. 4th finger down D, and an A flat there. And then your 5th finger on this, D, another A flat. 2nd finger on this B flat note. And that's an accidental just thrown in there. You got to play C flat there, which is actually a white key, B. And that's still it's a C flat there, which is actually this B note in that measure. So it's and then you put your 3rd finger on this G, 5th finger there, and 4th finger on this G note. And that gets you down. Then you go to the next section, it's your 5th finger on B flat. E flat there, 3rd finger on this E flat. 2nd finger on this D. 3rd finger on this D. That gets you down to that B flat. 5th finger on this B flat. 3rd finger on this E flat. 4th finger on this A flat. And it goes back to the beginning and repeats. And that's pretty much it. The chords, in your left hand you start on an E flat chord. That's E flat, G, and B flat. That's an F sharp diminished chord there. So it's E flat, G flat, A, and C. F minor, F, A flat, and C. B7, F, A flat, B flat, D, F minor again, F, A flat, C, B flat 7 again, F, A flat, B flat, D, E flat again, E flat, G, and B flat. That's an A flat minor chord, which is a E flat, A flat, and this B natural there. Another E flat chord there. F sharp diminished again, which is E flat, G flat, A, C. B flat 7 there, which is D, F, A flat, B flat. Flat chord, you're going to have to move it down, so it would be C, E flat, and A flat in the left hand. There's a B flat 7 chord, D, F, A flat, B flat. And that's E flat there. Actually, you've got an A flat in between there. There's B flat 7 there. Flat on the downbeat, a C, E flat, A flat. There's your E flat chord there, B, E flat, and G. E flat again, A flat, a C, E flat, and A flat like that. That's A flat minor, which is E flat, A flat, and that B natural there. E flat, F sharp, or F diminished seventh, which is this it should be F sharp diminished seventh. It doesn't say that in the music. That's what it's been. So it's E flat, F sharp diminished 7, which is E flat, G flat, A, C, F minor, F, A flat, and C, B flat 7, D, F, A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat minor again, E flat, A flat, B, back to E flat. And it goes back to the top and repeats. And that's pretty much it. So a little bit trickier than a real easy song for a beginner. This is probably more of an intermediate song, but it's a lot of fun. So this is work on it hands alone. When you're all through, this is what it sounds like.